Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So this one we are just gonna basically pick up where we left off of the last video. So we spot primed all the areas that we added just a little bit of body filler. So we just got to go through and scuff those areas, sand those flat, and then I'm just gonna scuff the entire bay one more time just to make sure it's good. So there's a lot of little nooks and crannies that are kind of hard to get even a Scotch-Brite pad into, so we're gonna do that. Then we can mask the whole frame, the whole truck basically off, and throw on some primer and some color. So let's get started with sanding this stuff out. Alright guys, she's all masked off. So I'm going to go through another time, wipe it all down with some wax and grease remover. Make sure this thing is extremely clean. As clean as I can get it. So we'll do that and then we'll grab some epoxy and hose this thing out. Alright, we got the primer on. I actually did 2 coats just to make sure it covered and is on there thick enough. So looking good there. I also did the brake booster. I'm going to paint that as well. So the paint I'm using is Black Sand Toyota. This is what I painted my last Tacoma with, the 06 Tacoma. So it's a metallic black. So I think that'll look really sweet with the metallic that's in the actual paint on the truck. And I wanted the black bay. I've seen cars with black bays and a colored, a different colored car, but with a black engine bay, I think it really stands out. And having some red in that engine bay is really going to make it pop. So I'm excited. This stuff has been sitting for an hour or two, so I'm going to load up the gun with some base coat, get a few coats of that on, and then we can throw some clear on it and be done. Alright guys, got this thing sprayed out, cleared, got 2 coats of clear on it, and all I can say is, damn. I am glad I went with this color. Looks really good, and it's got like I said, it's got that metallic in it, and it looks really good under the sun. It's got like a blue and a red metallic flake, so looks really good. It's been a couple hours now, it's just tacked up enough I can unmask it all and we can check it out. Then we can start putting this thing back together. I'm really excited to get the motor back in it with the all the powder coating and Cerakote we did. I think this thing's gonna look really good under the hood. So let's get this thing unmasked and see how it looks. Alright guys, she's all unmasked, looking good. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what this stuff is going to look like out in the sun. So I painted this brake booster with the same paint. There it is out here in the sun, so you can see it's got some red, some blue metallic. If you guys are wondering what gun I'm using, this is actually a Harbor Freight special. It's their more expensive one. They have a purple one that's like 20 bucks. Absolute piece of junk. But this one is the next one up. And I've had it for years. And I've honestly never had any issues with it. It sprays really good. And they were like 80 bucks or something. And I actually found these on Amazon too. I'll link it down in the description. They're not, they don't have the central labeling on it, but it's the same exact gun. So yeah, check that out if you want to see that. I actually painted this entire truck with that gun. And you can see, turned out really good. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. So the next video, we got to put this bay back together. Other than obviously the motor, since we don't have that done yet. I should have my rods and the torque plate here in the next couple days so I can drop all that stuff off and hopefully we can get to build that motor soon. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of the black bay. I think it'll stand out. I think with a little bit of red accents in it, it's going to really pop and look sweet. So I'm really excited to get it back together and see how it looks. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.